Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and if you're new here, hi, I'm Dikshita. Welcome to my channel. So in today's video, I'll be sharing my review on these lip and cheek tint from Just Hug. I'm actually not a tint person. I don't apply tint. I generally don't enjoy tint, but when I use these lip and cheek tint from Just Hubs, I was really impressed. I really enjoyed these tints, so I thought of sharing a review with you guys on these tints. So I have got these three shades with me, so I'll be sharing the swatches of these three shades, and I'll share my review also about these tints with you in today's video. I'll also show you a demo on how to use these tints, how to apply these tints. So if you are interested, please keep on watching this video. These are lip and cheek tints from Just Herbs. Just Herbs is a clean beauty brand. It's an Ayurvedic brand. It's a vegan, it's cruelty free and totally made in India. This tint contains Javitri, jojoba and rice starch. It is paraben free, mineral oil free and 100% vegan. So it comes in this kind of outer packaging. It's a white color cardboard packaging, and all the details are mentioned on the outer packaging itself. So this tint retails for 695 rupees for 4 gram of product, and there are 7 shades available in this tint. Here you can see all the shades, और जो भी ये वाला shade है उसको से mark किया हुआ है उन्होंने. So this is the outer packaging, and this is how it looks from inside. It comes in this clear tub packaging with this white color cap. Again on the bottom there is a sticker where all the details are mentioned, and here on top the shade name is mentioned and the ingredients and all other things. So basically whatever is mentioned on the outer packaging is mentioned on the inner packaging as well. You'll have to screw open this tub, and you have this protective lid here, and here is the product. This tint is highly pigmented. Let me show you. So you can see this is the pigmentation of this tint. So it's highly pigmented. It has a very nice creamy formula, and it's very easy to blend. Like you can see, it's very easy to blend, and this is how it looks like blended. And you can see the pigmentation is still looking good. Even after blending it, you can easily see the color. So it's very easy to work with, it's very easy to blend, easy to build up. When you apply these tints on your cheek, it looks very fresh. It gives a very nice flush of color to your cheeks, and you can use your fingers, beauty blender or brush, anything you can use to apply these tints and to blend it. It will be very easy to work with these tints. You can apply these tints on your lips as well. Like this is a lip and cheek tint, you can apply this on your lips. Again, you can use your fingers, you can use a brush, you can just use your finger, just apply it like this and blend it. So it will give you a tint kind of look, and if you want a better pigmentation, more pigmentation, you can use a brush to apply this tint on your lips to get a full pigmentation on the lips. You can use this tints on your eyes as well. You can apply it with your finger and just blend it with a blender brush, but you will have to set it. Since it's a creamy product, after some time it might crease, so you'll have to set it with a powder or a powder blush. Otherwise you can easily use these tints on your eyes as well, and eyes पे भी काफ़ी beautiful लगते हैं ये. It feels very light, it's very comfortable to wear, and it lasts also for a pretty good time. It's not a transfer proof formula, it will easily transfer, but still it will last for a pretty good time. Even on the face it will last for a pretty good time. Now let's see the lip swatches of these three shades I have. There are 7 shades available in this lip and cheek tint, and all the shades are very pretty. All the shades will look good on Indian skin tone. तो आपकी कैसे भी स्किन टोन हो, आपको आपकी चॉइस का, आपकी स्किन टोन के अकॉर्डिंग मैच करने वाला ये लिप एंड चीक टिंट ईजिली इस रेंज में मिल जाएगा. I have tried 3 shades and I like all of them, but my most favorite is this one, the shade Soft Nude. It's a very pretty nude shade. This is the shade. It's a very pretty shade, and I think it will look good on all kind of skin tone. So yeah, that's all I wanted to share about this lip and cheek tints. This is a really beautiful product. Trust me guys, I am not at all a tint person, and I fell in love with these tints from the first application. Like पहली बार जब मैंने इनको यूज़ किया था तभी से मुझे काफ़ी ज़्यादा पसंद आई ये. So I can honestly tell you that if you like tints, and even if you don't like tints, and if you want to try them, you can totally try this range. These tints are little expensive. I can understand, like this one of this tub retails for 695 rupees, and you get only 4 gram of product, but the product quantity is really good, and you get a lot of product actually, and you need very little amount of it since it's a highly pigmented product. So yeah, it's little costly, but you can easily find discount on these tints. Like I have seen 50% discounts as well on these tints, so you can always look for discounts. You can easily find 20-30% discounts. These are available online on Nykaa and on their website as well. I'll provide all the links in the description box. So yeah guys, that's all for today's video. I hope you like this video and this review, and this was helpful for you. If you did, please like and share this video. Also please subscribe to my channel if you haven't done already, and don't forget to press the notification bell so that you will be notified for my future uploads. Thank you so much guys for watching this video. I'll see you in my next one. Till then, take care. Bye.